Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix heating problem in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Click on apps, management. You will see app list and then you have to search here system like this. Clear cache the system Android system web view. From here clear cache this. Similarly Android system intelligence, clear cache, then press back. You have to search here Google Play services, then you have to simply clear cache this from here like this, and it will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.